Hello there and most welcome to our channel. Today we are going to talk about here MS project. You will simply write here in the search bar MS project. After that you will have here the MS project application, and we will have here home, new and open. For example, we are just going to select here new. When you want to just create new project, you will select here blank or other examples, and here we have different templates. We can use it just directly. Look here, so we have like simple plan project and other projects like residential constructions, annual report, and start a business plan. Here look here, marketing campaign, and we have here different project management and new projects, customer services, project management plan, so training and others. Like you can just use it automatically. And at the moment, like here will be different project as well. Like you can just select and you can just type the project name also here and search about that project. Like here many projects exist. They are very useful, and you can just use it without any problem. And look here, it is like projects, schedules. Like if we have many different schedules, and simple analysis, industry, it is related to industry projects. And here we have businesses. Here all the projects are related to business. And here technology, like these are the projects. When you want to just search, name that technological name and you will find that template. And here is the marketing. So I will select here blank project. So the project application here it will open, and we have here the ribbon and other menu bars and all other information. Okay, look here, like I can just type the project name here. So look here in the timeline, like the project name will be shown here. You can just change and rename the project name here. Like look here, when we just create some projects here, all the informations will be shown here, like the starting date here and the finish date and the information about that project. So here we will just create one project, and we will assign the time, producers, starting time, finish time, duration, all the information about tasks and task name, modes of the task, and all the information. Like simple, we will plan here this time the project about like not the project but as a graduation party. So we will plan each and every step what we will do during the graduation party accordingly our schedule, and invite all the relatives and friends and provide them very interesting and fascinating graduation party, and all the related management guidelines will be shown before starting the party. Now I will write here the task name. So I will write here send the invitation. Okay, then another one, it will be shop for food, and another one will be shop for decoration. Then we will have serve the food. Now some decorative works like decoration. Then we will have the party. Okay, like we have send the invitation to friends and relatives. We will buy the food and will buy some decorative materials, and we will just prepare the food and some decoration related stuff related to the party, graduation party, and we will have the party. Now we will just provide the starting date and finish date. So the starting date of the party will be 27th of March, and it will be the finish date. Okay, so and we will explain the duration later on. Now I will just provide the date for the invitations when we have to send the invitation. Like I will just select 27 of March will be the starting about invitations, and we are just going to finish the invitations like 29. Okay, like these days I will just send the invitation to our friends and relatives, so like it will take 3 days. And about the food to buy, it will be like 27 I will send the invitation, 29 so it will be 30. And let's say it will do not take that much days, or like the same day it will finish. Okay, and here some decorations to buy, that will be also in 30, and the same day it will finish. And serve the food, it will also be 31. Okay, and the same day it will. And decorations, it will be also on 31, so and the same day it will finish. Okay, and party will be on 1st April and it will finish on 2nd. Okay, so now I will just adjust some time here. About the duration, look here, and sending the invitation, it will take 3 days, and shop the food, to buy the food, it will take 1 day. Okay, and the same decorations, to buy some stuffs for decorations, it will take also 1 day. Serve, it will also take 1 day, and decoration will take 1 day. So and the party will be like Monday to April 24. Like it will take how many days? Like 2 days it will become 2. Or I just wanna change some like days, like I will just put here 1 hours 1, and HR presenters, like it will take 1 hours, and it will take like 5 hours. So it will take 5 hours for decorations and for buying the food. Okay, other will be one day, and it will be 1 hours and 5 hours. Okay, now I'm coming here to the durations. Look here, like here is the small boxes, like it is showing the duration. Look here, I will just make it a little bit zoom. Look here, so like the invitation starting date, like it is Wednesday, so it is starting from here up to here, like up to Friday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday, so it will take 3 days. Look here, the duration it is showing as a box, and the same food, it will take like 1 hour, and it is duration is showing 5 hours. It is duration here. If I want to just increase the durations, I will just hold and drag. Look here, it increased to 1 day, and when I want to just decrease, it will decrease back. Okay, like it has become 4 hours, and when I want to just increase, it will increase like up to 8 hours, and when you want to just increase also, you can just do it one. So like I will just decrease up to here, like it is 4 hours, and I will just decrease little bit more. It is a Gantt chart and shows the duration, like boxes showing the duration for each and every task. It is taking 2 hours and 4 hours. When you want to just increase, you can just hold this cross and will increase to 8 hours, and you can just decrease afterward little bit more. Look here, just hold and drag, it will decrease back. Look here, this Gantt chart shows the graphical indication for duration of that specific task. Now I'm coming here like the serve food, and I will just double click on it, and in this task information, like I'm just clicking here producers, and look here, I will put here 2 in ID 2. So when I put here 2, like here is the shop the food, and I will press OK. Look here, this indicate that like before serving the food, we have to buy the food. Okay, look here, this indication shows like the predecessor is here, means before taking place to serve the food, we have to buy. Okay, so like here is the predecessor as a 2, and you can just change it again, like double click on it and go back here to change here the predecessor. When I just go here, coming here, and I will just double click and coming here to the predecessors for decorations, and I will just select here 4. Look here, it is number 5 decorations, and 5 will be the predecessor. I will just select here and will press 4 and will click again. Okay, look here, the predecessor is here 4. Like afterward it will like complete the decorations, serve the food, and then complete the decorations, and it shows here in a Gantt chart as well. Now I'm coming here like the serve food. I will select here and I'm going here to the summary. After that I will just select right click and insert task. I will write here like bake cake. Okay, then again I will right click and insert task. Like I will just write here like rice, and the third one I will just insert the task and I will write here salads, and so on and so forth. Look here, it shows that these are the subtasks. Like we have the main task and we have the subtasks which are showing here. Like this bracket type is showing like these are the subtasks. Okay, so like these are the subtasks to be done and will complete these tasks. And we can change the duration as well. Like here I will write like 2 hours, and this one like 1 hour, and for this one like it will take 1 hour as well. Look here, and for this one like it will take also 1 hour, and select, and I will change this one up to 2 to like 4 hours, and I will write here 4 hours. Look here, like it is showing here like it need much more time. When I have just reduced here the 4 hours, like it become red, and here we see like the cross about this box or these durations. When I just increase the time, look here, the color will change automatically. Here, look here, now it is like time not critical, so it is like according to the time, and it will complete this subtasks as well. Okay, look here, it shows these are the subtasks and the main task exists there as well. Okay, when you want to just change the color, come here, select this one and select here the color like this type, and look here and here as well, and we'll select OK. Look here, the color has been changed. I will make it different like this one, and you can just like the middle one, and you can just change this one as well. Look here, the color has been changing. The same, you can change another colors as well. Now if you want to just put some notes like according to each and every task, like I will just select here this rice and will come here to the notes. Then I will write here quality, the best quality of rice. Okay, then so the rice should be best quality. Then I will just press OK. Look here, when I come here to this note, it will shows the best quality of rice. Like the decorations, when I come here to click and come to the note and will put here in decorations, the decoration material should be from Germany. So like these informations will be noted here. Look here, it will not be from another country, it will be from Germany. So all the informations whatever you would like to add to the note, you can just write, select the task and go to the notes, put your message and just press OK. Look here, you can just look your notes and whatever information are there, you will have your thoughts and your idea. Okay, it is very simple and interesting. And second, when you want to just cross one task and you don't want the task to be completed, you can just select the task and go here to inactive. Look here, this task has been crossed and there will be no completion. Like I will just undo this one, and look here, for example, for these decorations I don't want here, so I will inactive. Look here, this Gantt chart has been also changed. Look here, so it is changed to just empty. When I just want to active again, I will press inactive again, so it will remove the cross as well. Look here, I will select and will inactive, so this task is not going to be completed. If I change my thoughts later on to be completed, so I will just select again and will make it active. If you want to just save these informations, you will come here to the file and will press save. Okay, or you can just export as well. So it will be .mpp, like it is Microsoft project. So it was the first tutorial about MS Project. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel and stay tuned for other lectures. Bye bye.